Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe payments to your website in 2025, and you won't need to write a single line of code. Let's get started. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the Payment Links option and click on it. This is the magic tool that lets you sell anything without a complicated website setup. Now, click the blue Create Payment Link button at the top. You'll see a simple form. Give your product a name and a description, then enter the price. You can set a fixed price or let customers pay what they want. Further down, you can add a product image to make the link look professional. When you're happy, click Create Link at the bottom. Just like that, your unique payment link is ready. Now, to put this on your website, simply copy the link that Stripe created. You can now add this link anywhere on your site. The easiest way is to add it to a button. Go to your website editor, like WordPress or Wix, add a button to your page, and in the button settings, where it says link, paste your Stripe payment link, save the changes and visit your website. You now have a button that takes your customer to a secure Stripe checkout page to complete their purchase. And that's it, you've added Stripe payments with no coding needed. If this helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.